if we find the area of this circle here, the top, and the area around of this here, and this as well, add together, it will give me exactly the same area of the base of this largest cylinder. So if we add this curve as well, so simply it's just the surface area of the larger cylinder. So the larger cylinder is area 1, let's make it A1, is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. So the radius of this is 6 because from here to here is 6 centimeters. So all we need to do now to find the area of the larger cylinder, so give me this, and all I need to do now is just put this in a calculator. So which equal to 301.95 and so on. So I just store that in memory A because I'm gonna use that later. So I just go answer, shift, store A. So write it down, that give me this. Now I need to find these two curves here. What's left is this curve and this curve here. So now to find the area of this curve, I just label this is A2. So the area of the curve, of course, is A2 is 2 pi rh because it doesn't have the top and the base, so just the curve itself. The radius of A2 is, because from here to here is 4, add another 2, from here to here is 2, add another 2 is 4. So the radius is 4 centimeters. So all I need to do is just substitute the value in. So 2 pi times 4 times 2. So it simply is just put that in a calculator. This will give me 50.265 and so on. So I just stored it in memory B. So shift store B. So write it down, that gives me 50.27. Now the last thing I have is the curve on top, this curve here. So this one here, let's name this A3. So A3, the radius of this is 2 because from here to here is 2 centimeters and the height is 2 as well. So A3 equal 2 pi rh, which is 2 times pi times 2 times 2. Or you can write 8 pi on your calculator. Otherwise, I just put in a calculator. So just bring a calculator up first. So which is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 pi. Otherwise, just put 2 pi times 2 times 2. Doesn't matter. So 8 pi, which is equal to this. Now, all I need to do now is I store that in C. Because A, B, C, I put in C. The third answer, all I do is store in memories A, B, C systematically, so you don't forget. So just go store in C. So I write it down. This give me that. So therefore, the surface area is just add those together. So just add this together. So which is surface area is equal to 301.59 at 50.27 and so on. So I just bring the calculator up, and all I need to do is alpha A plus alpha B plus alpha C. Otherwise, you just put all these numbers on your calculator. I'll give you the answer. There you go. That's what I get. So 376.99 square centimeters. To find the surface area of this, we know that the front is here and the back is the same. But to find the area of the front, we need to find the area of a square here and then minus this circle out. So to do this, we know that is, and then we times 2, of course, front and the back are the same. So we just go 8 times 8 minus pi r squared and everything times 2 because we work out the front and the back. But we know that this is the diameter, which gives me 6. So therefore, the radius is 3 centimeters. So all we need to do is just substitute in the formula. So 8 times 8 minus pi times 3 all square, and the answer times 2, which give me this. To find out the area of the size of the solid, which is, we have 4 sides the same. 1, 2, this side here is 2 here, sorry, and 3, and 4. So 4 sides the same. All we need to work out one side, 8 times by 4. So this side here is 8 by 8. So which is 8 times 8 times 4. So which give me this. Now what's left is the curve. Of course, we need to find out the area of the curve, and we add together, will give me the surface area. So area of the curve, of course, is 2 pi RH. So R, the radius, is 3, and the height is 8. The height of the cylinder is 8. So which is 2 times 3 times 8, which give me this. Now what I need to do is just add them together. So therefore the surface area equal 71.451 plus 256 plus 150.796. So add them together, which give me this. Find H if the surface area of cylinder A is twice the surface area of cylinder B. So first of all, we need to find out the surface area of cylinder A first. So which is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi RH. So we know that the cylinder of A is the radius is half of 6.4, which is 3.2. So which is substitute in the formula. It gives me this. That's the surface cylinder of A. Now, we need to find the surface area of cylinder B as well. Same rule applies, of course. We given the radius is 2, and then we need to find out H. So which is substitute in the formula. So we can write 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 pi. 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 pi H. So which give me this. But we know that the surface cylinder A is twice the surface cylinder B. So which is 2 cylinder B. So if I divide by 2, so surface of the cylinder B is half of cylinder A, if you like. So I can write like this. So now what I do, I need to find half of A first, will give me the cylinder B. So the surface area of cylinder B is this, which give me this. So now all I need to do, I know that the surface area B, cylinder B, is the same as this now. So all I need to do, I focus on these equations. So which is 62.329 is equal to this equation here. So all I need to do, I just substitute in. Then I just solve for the equations. So to do this, I move the A pi on this side. This means that 62.329 minus 8 pi, which give me 4 pi H. So in another word, 4 pi H is equal to 37.196. So I divide by 4 pi. I just divide by 4 pi on the right. So that give me H is equal to, I just put it in a calculator, which give me 2.96. So therefore, H is 2.96 centimeters. Thank you so much for watching.